Oh, Shegwe, finally. My people, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Una welcome to our Bunga program, Iziga, where we say na crime and security. Now they talk about, as I always knock my chest, my mind is sweet me where we say, cause I know so na kandagidigba. For now, various Ogbonge places when I want to watch the top story when we come out for Iziga for this week. And I know the reason why we the greatest for this program. Now, sake of say no time when crime no they happen. It they happen in the morning, it they happen in the afternoon, it they happen at night. That is why at any particular time when this car Iziga come shele. Once we hear, we waka kurukere go reach there, come find out what happen. How this kind of thing what happen? So how what make can happen and how we fit prevent am for a case of future occurrence as we both talk am. Well, my name na Wellington Akodeja. Osaze equally dey here with me.
Akoko.
I greet you.
You say you dey hit your chest like gorilla.
What to do?
Now when they do Tarzan that year, now
okay.
they see that that's anything wey wan happen.
Make it happen.
We don't talk am, we never talk am.
We don't talk am.
Now people, now the truth we dey talk for this program as we see am, and so we take the talk am. We know we see am, we can go talk am the other way around. My name now Saze Amongate, and I want to greet you now well. Sick of say as I call you talker, we know so na David, but wherever on a day they watch this program. Quick, make I begin telling you the information as a concern security number. The one when you dey screen now, the one we concern police. If you get any yawa for your area, make you call this number. Once you call the number, before you know, they don't deal with you. Bam. One day it will help you unravel all the things when we say they cause yawa for that area. Then this other number, now the one we concern NDLEA, now people will be say their work now to catch those who they sell illicit drug and those who they involve for bad drug. Once you call the number one hand, before you know, they don't deal with you now. Then this other one, now that will concern civil defense. Civil defense, as we know, now people will say they don't work like police. If you get any yawa for your area and you want to make them come assist in terms of security, in terms of any biggie when they happen for the area, they will be there with you now. Come unravel second yawa when you say you did there. Then this other number, so when they see, now the one we concern fire service. Fire service, as we know, now people will be say their matter now to quench any place where fire dey. Fire they enter house, fire they enter business organization, fire they even enter filling station. And the funniest part, many people don't believe say as they bomb bush, sake of say don't reach where they will take begin bomb bush for planting season, and you can't burn and come pass boundary. Fire fit enter forest, you burn everywhere, can't go burn the reserve area where they don't want made it clear, and that one will be big disaster. And if any yawa like that day, now call this fire service, then we'll deal with it. Then another thing when it did, we say this corona, they say that they see first phase, second phase, third phase, and when they hear about fourth phase now, the fourth phase, we thank God as it happen, God get the way to prevent the people. Yes, we know say not everything be miracle, but so can't tell you would wonder the thing would happen really just like that. And quick, I want to let you know say if anybody gets that kind of corona or the symptom of corona, as they tell you say make una dey wear mask, make we dey try say that social distance wey we dey keep am, make una still dey keep am. If any yawa dey, una come see person wey get that kind of sickness wey be say e don be like say na corona dey, make una call this numbers wey dey screen so before you know they don come with ambulance, come carry the person and carry am go hospital. Abeg my people, make una try, make una dey follow the rules.
Our first story for Iziga for this week, we say security operative don arrest the second in command, Ikoso of Eastern Security Network, when they call ESN. In the same thing, police don discover mass grave for Eastern Castina for Obodo, Nigeria. Edo State Police Command, in conjunction with Vigilante, don rescue kidnapped victims along Benin Ahor Road for Eastside Benin City, Nigeria. Yes, so 17 southern governors don't say this insecurity when they happen for this country. Say lie, say all hands must be on deck to ensure say people when they cause this thing they must come to book. Well, with the watch, we pray say may God sign this the accord when we say all of them don't join together. So we could go for small break. As soon as we come, we knock on the first Ogunge Tori for Izigan for this week.
Izigan, make you remove your hand for bad thing. Remember say every day for the thief, but one day for the owner.
My people, this particular Tori na the one wey be say na agitation. E be like say e be. Una know wetin they call IPOP when be say e dey happen for eastern part of this country. Then another group come still dey when they call ESN. When be say they call them Eastern Security Network. This one can happen when be say they get insinuation in some quarters. Say the oga of the group they don't kill am. But the second in command will be say in name na Awuru Eze, the Army Public Relations Officer. He don't talk say man. He say they don't arrest this particular person. He say wetin dey happen be say most of the things when be say that they do, he say they contravene the laws of the land, and as such they must put a stop on it. He say because they no go fit dey watch for anybody to want to form a kind of parallel government or probably try to deform they do some kind of things where be say go work against the generality of the people. Mr. Yerima could talk this one. He say okay, he say as a matter be so, he say all the security don they work together to ensure say any matter when be say anybody or group of persons when be say that they put hand for bad thing, he say they go ensure say they arrest as we talk to you. So Mr. Eze, he don't dey with them, they don't interrogate them to find out the main agitation, because from them, according to Ram, he say some of the agitations when they raise, he say he get the way it be. Maybe they go use microscope to look into the matter to deduce what they really want for this particular matter.
Well, as you talk also, waiting they will really check to make sure say the matter clear. And you know, say for this Obude Nigeria, if they not push some people, they don't will work. But if it be say only that one will give us result, not to do it that way.
You see, they see in most cases, you know, people they raise some questions in some quarters, say they get other issues when we say all these our army people and so many security agencies supposed to tackle. These people now, they're not really they from the look of this, whether they fight for their right, you know, and all that. But there are some other militancy. When they talk about Boko Haram and bandits, when they say they go negotiate with and all that. So why this same strength when they deploy to this eastern side? Why, you know, they work for the northern aspect?
Well, this matter what you just bring concern. You know, say my brother, from the look of things.
Okay, the more you look,
not talk on my mouth, because I need to say something. From the look of things, you know, say from your angle get the way they see matter. From another person angle get the way they see this matter. As it happen for that same side, now so they happen for not too. Because as me you they talk now, you will see recently, not be we Nakan last week, the way they enter that forest, Sabisa forest, go Goro, some of those Boko Haram men. And as we see they talk now, those people don't believe their eye. And even at that, some people will be say, you see they involved in criminal matter for that area too. Then they see they raid them. And that's what it be. But if you dare here, because you dare near to the matter, you will say that's what it be. But who did that side? As in dare near to the matter too, you will say that's what it be. Now be what you see, not be a boo here at all.
You sure?
Now the truth that they tell you, not be a boo here.
We will continue to pray for the nation, because as a matter be so, they say they be like say small boo here, they one corner and the other side clear. Yes, so my people, if you watch your screen, this particular story, they call from Katsina State, when we say they call catch one of the gangs, when we say that they specialize in killing people, they bury people inside the shallow grave. But as we talk to you now, information in our disposal don show say 2 of the suspects they don dey inside police custody. They don dey dim their eye point sake of say they put am for batting. Because wetin dey surprise me pass, we no know whether na covenant they get within each other, because 2 of their wives they equally kill them, they cause to bury them for inside this shallow grave. The suspects when be say name na Tasa alias Bob, and the other one David Akashima alias Cash Money. As we dey talk to you, so they go face the full wrath of the law. Because one thing when they surprise me, they say, why will a human being kill his fellow when he be say you know fit manufacture? The only thing when you need to do na to procreate, to marry woman and then born children. If you know say you know fit manufacture human being, you don't kill. Well, I just pray say may the souls of the departed find rest in peace, according to as the talker, because the matter get the way it be.
The matter get the way it be, because we dey tell people say make they remove am for batting, say batting not good. Now you don't see this matter now as it be. This na bad people. When it be say them apart from Boko Haram, then they involve in all those kidnapping, killing, stealing, and all sorts of violence. Now police for that side, they don't dey work. Now make they fit catch these people now. And when they catch them, they say they carry them go where they for bury all the people who they don't the cases, even including some of their wives. Like these people, their wives too. They buried them for there. Why? When they according to the report when we hear, when they ask the question, that one they say in with your wife, they no agree or matter day, those kind of things will happen. Then the figures, do away with those women. So you will see the mind of people, how callous they are. You will see how people take the behave for society. And we don't see here, say not be only here, not be they happen. It happen everywhere all over the world. But now the way the security people take mapper strategy, take stand their ground to make sure say all these things as they happen, that they curb them, that they arrange them, they arrest them, nothing matter. And I believe say our police as they do, so they need to continue with what they do.
My people will go for a small break. As soon as we come, we'll nakuna the territory.
Iziga, make you remove your hand for bad thing. Remember say every day for the thief, but one day for the owner.
So my people, this particular Tori, Edo State Police Commissioner, when we say name na Mr. Philip Ogbandu, he say he might a sweet well like somebody who don't work out for his son when could get cold water when ice block day. He say this will happen when we say a tactical team in conjunction with Edo State Security Network. He say where they call get distress call for inside a hot bypass, say some motor when they travel go outside those days, say some kidnappers don't hijack the motor, they don't carry the people who enter inside forest. Now all of them mobilize, carry everything when they need to carry, follow inside bush. As according to Ram, as the jury there, now they start to use drone till they find where these people they and or everything. At the end of the day, they were able to rescue the kidnapped victims on hot, while the kidnappers they scamper for safety. According to Mr. Philip Ogbandu, he say he might they sweeting well. Well, make we talk to Mr. Philip Ogbandu and that of the governmental security man when we say they coordinate those state security network.
We use the drone to know what is happening. We can now monitor it from the air. Then we have ground operation. Some are static guard, some go into the bush to come. And that is why these 14 people have been rescued. 13 people have been rescued. And even the kidnappers, some of them have suffered casualties. I appreciate what individuals are doing also. You can see the number of men who have mobilized, the policemen, the vigilantes, and so many. So we will do this regularly to enable us to stop these activities of criminals in this place.
We have found solution. We are going to strengthen that the ideology and the structure that the Edo State government have put in place. What have we done differently? What we have done is that by this Edo State Community Vigilante Network, we have constrained all the criminal elements away from the city. We have chased them to the suburb, and we are even taking the war to them in those suburbs. Now they are in the forest, where they classify as their comfort zone. Now today, you see the combined forces of the Nigerian police force and the Edo State community vigilante working side by side. The criminal will not have a place to hide in Edo State anymore. Even the bush, the forest that used to be their comfort zone is going to get hotter. And you know what? We are not going to stop at this. It's already yielding fruit. Why are we going to stop? The criminal will be the one to run. We are the owner of the land. They will have nowhere to hibernate and to plan the various activity.
Well, you don't hear from Mr. Philip Ogbandu and Mr. Aruna. They don't let us know as a matter work about as it be. So the rescued victims, their mind is sweet where like who they use like who they drink garri with cold water. We will see hear from them. May they let us know how it been and what really happened.
With me, one of my brother and my sister. We traveled from Lagos to Akwa Ibom for our grandma's burial. So on our way, that on Thursday morning, that was when the operation starts. So they come across our bus, they stopped the bus, they started shooting. So our driver stopped. They now started beating us, bringing us out. They takes all our properties. They now drive us inside the bush. So since that day, we have not eaten. They have been beating us since on Thursday. We slept 2 days since on Thursday till now. We have been there since on Thursday morning. They have been beating us, beating my sister. Even one of my sister fainted. So we so much thank God for life that the Edo State Police had to come and rescue us this morning. So much thank God for that. God will bless Edo State Police.
Go to the bush. Started beating me, hang me for corner, tie me. There's nothing where they not did me. Treat us, do many things. So even today they were saying that now today will be the end of our life. I say, well, out of the whole children when I born, how would I kill my children? So I will leave them like that. I said, God, pray will go to rescue us. So, but I was surprised to hear the sound of gun. I said, well, I called my people, say police don't enter this forest. None are following me, we run this, go where this gun is, go say now, police. On my way going, I jammed what police for the road. He's straight gun for me. I said, no, they kidnapped me. He said, it's not only, I said, no, my people is my back. So I thank God.
Did they ask you for money?
They said we should go and bring 2.5 million naira. That we are going to die here with that money. So later, we now say we should bring 700,000. We now disagree again that they are collecting 800,000 naira. Even my brother, not our driver, is my real blood. They are called home and they should sell one car. We require shortage over that car when the money. We are going to a strong company. Chinese company. We load the tank.
Yes, so my people, as we see the talk about insecurity, the chairman, Southern Governor of Nigerian Forum, and when we say his name now, Oluwarotimi Akeredolu of Ondo State, he does say as this matter be so, he say he get the way it be. Now all of them converge for inside Asaba. When we say all of them gather together, they can say how this kind of particular thing, insecurity where they happen for this country. So they go just open their eye, they go they kill their people, they no go get food to chop and every other thing. They cause the courage and agreement. Say all those kind of open grace where we say it they happen, he say they no go agree at all. He say because as this kind of matter be so, he say anybody when be say he no say he want rear cow or he won't do anything, make it go lease land. If the state give on to her, make the day there instead of destroying people's crops and everything. The governor, well, make it let us know what it really transpired for inside the meeting when we say the whole for Asaba, the capital of Delta States.
The meeting noted that development and population growth has put pressure on available land and increased the prospect of conflict between migrant herders and local population in the south. Given this scenario, it becomes imperative to enforce the ban on open grazing in the south, including cattle movement to south by foot. The meeting recommended that the federal government should support willing states to develop alternative and modern livestock management system. 5. The meeting expressed grave concern on the security challenge currently plaguing the nation and strongly urged Mr. President should address Nigerians on the challenges of insecurity and restore the confidence of our people.
See, but the way when all these cattle areas still they do, when or some of them they hide under Fulani herdsmen, say the thing all assumed a worrisome dimension. That is why they called that meeting. So all the governors, they don't resolve, say all those kind of obubuye when they say that they carry cattle, till they waka different places, till they destroy people farm, say they no go agree at all.
According to that, a good idea like you talk to some people. Remember Nigeria big.
I know.
I remember different interests. Now everybody gets. As this matter shall so na good thing for the Satanás. Sake of say more food go day. You know what they see say that they destroy farm again.
Yeah.
And a good thing say if you know say you want to cow, look for ranch. Small place where you go buy when you go suffer the train your.
Because na business.
Na business. So you go suffer the train your cow. Just as people they train dog, just as people they do poultry, just as people they do some other animal businesses.
Yes.
Some they do pig, they train pig.
Piggery.
Yes, piggery. So you can also train cow, even if they're not too waka. It gets how you trade one, you go even they get more milk than those ones when they sell cow up and down. The better modern way of getting fresh milk, they will give you the machine if you really get cows like that. You will even see people when you go support you, you will begin using a runner. So if these governors they come out like that, come talk this kind of word, so now so they want to.
17 of them.
Yes, I believe saying are the best idea and a very good idea. And quick, as this matter still comes so we can still hear some of these Miyetti Allah leaders. Then they talk say for all these governors to go think how they will take fight HIPOP, fight all those people who need militant and people who need to say that they show violence for the SASAT. Now Fulani members, now they say now the Fulani herdsmen they don't say they want stop business. May they go try, may they go fight people who need to say they suppose fight. Say not be Fulani herdsmen not being will be their priority. But on a more serious note, there is nothing bad in trying to do this one, do that one. If true, as we hear for people saying na so it true be, you can fight two cases at a time. They say that they use one stone, they kill two birds. You
know one thing, and where the pain person, they carry near fire.
Exactly.
If like say that same sheikh when that professor when they talk this word, so if like say now people or probably your own pikin they involved for this matter, I no go talk this one. The Satanás know they say okay, make them no waka. Rear am for your side. If I won't do anything, if I get the money, I'll come by. But if you must say make them come this side, get a place where you put them, make that they do their normal activities. We are all Nigerians. You know that.
Well, now
so for to one call the kick against what the governors resolutions of the governors.
No, he just talk. I say we get.
No, man, you're not even supposed to talk about.
No, he said the governors get larger duties to do instead of
what is
instead of chasing herdsmen out of their
what
community.
Is the primary responsibility of government is to protect lives and property.
Exactly.
You understand? So when it be say the lives when they let you to come and govern, you dey lose them on a daily basis, and the center can no longer stay. What do? You take a proactive measure.
Exactly.
So that is what is governors.
You 2 days speak on
no, neither don't take. So make it not just talk that.
But the one when that professor talk say for the states for Nigeria, may they look for land for Fulanis, may they for the rear their cattle. So may they look for land for them.
Land offering for Sabisa Forest.
He said now Sabisa Forest now they must dey. He said may they look for land for Fulani so that they do their business.
See
now what now simple now advice the professor advice. So make they look for land for them. Make they for take the train their car. Not be you talk as I say ranch. If they get land now, they don't want corners off if they train their ranch. Anything happen, you know where to trace them go. It's even better location, identity. Now we need for our society.
They go look for land for them, not be land. Land go there for them. Okay. Well, my people, should the case you just join this program, this one are EasyGuy. When we say they share every 10:30 for ITV for Isa Bodo Nigeria for Benin City. Our photo read for EasyGuy for this week. We say we bring on a tourist say security operative do arrest some second in command to Ikoso. They are aware of ESN when we say na Eastern Security Network. We hear say they don't kill the Aga, but the second in command is not there in custody. Well, police just still discover mass grave for inside Katsina State for inside Obodo Nigeria too. Edo State Police Command in conjunction with vigilante don't rescue kidnapped victim for Alok Benin Aho bypass. As we talk to you, so the State Police Commissioner when be say name na Mr. Philip Ogbandu, he don't dey drink cold water shelle sake of say he don't get time right. 17 Southern governors don't meet over insecurity in Nigeria. The Oga Patawata for inside the governors will be say na in name na Oluwarotimi Akeredolu. He does say Laila, he say all this one will be say that they kill their people and all that. He say no to that.
My people, I seen the talk and just now. Before we go, I will tell you now one small story. When you be sure now, they protect ourselves too, because they say nobody know finish. You get the latest now when kidnappers, when bad people take the waka. When you be say if they paste all this information for social media, post it for phone, send you test, say so and so place work day, so and so place work day. I beg, make sure say that kind of place. If una they go, una carry more than 4 or 5 people, una go that area, so that some will dey outside while some will go check whether not true. Because in the name of vacancy, in the name of application, when you want to go submit, you will reach there before you know they don't kidnap you. The next thing after they ask for ransom. So my people, make una dey careful. Not be everywhere where they talk say vacancy day, call so and so number, go so and so area, call so and so company, reach so and so company, come and submit your letter. True, you will enter there. At times, if you enter there, you will surprise. Say as you enter inside, and another matter, now you commit. Either they kidnap the person or they will carry the person take do ritual. So at times, a good make with the day at a lot. This now this small information when we still hear from other people. And another one still there again too. When you be say for your phone, you will hear say person call you. As he call you for the phone, he will ring. Once you pick up, you will say hello, 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 hello. The person not will talk. Or sometimes you will say hello, hello, hello. The person will say, oh sorry, wrong number. That kind of number, you need to be very careful. Some of these people too, we still hear say that they use style till they see how they hack person phone. So my people, that are the small for me what I want to make una know for this Ogbonge program what they call EasyGuy.
Yes, so my people, now here we for draw today's curtains for this particular episode of this EasyGuy for this week. Till this same time, same station, my name na Wellington Akodeja.
My name na Osaze Omogiate.
My people,
una bye bye you.